Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video here on the Nobre Motorsport channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to remove the digital air conditioning controls, right? There are a lot of people who have an analog one and want to replace it with a digital one but don't know how to disassemble it. So, I'm going to teach you here. It's very simple. You're going to need a plastic spatula like this one. And what are you going to do? You're going to fit it here on the side of the sound system, okay? Between the sound system and the sound system, look. Between the dashboard and the digital air conditioning control, you're going to fit it here and pull it forward, right? You're going to push it, use a lever backwards, and on the other side, the same thing. You're going to fit it here and use a lever backwards to pull it. Then it will come out. It's very hard to remove, at least mine was very hard to remove, because it has these clips here. So it has 2 clips on the front and 2 clips on the back. As you can see here, look, one here and one here. Here we already have the part here, right, with the wiring that comes connected. Many people always thought it would be just one, right? It would be just one plug. No, it is, this plug, this one and this one. So it is a black one, there are 2 black ones and a brown one. So, if you have an air conditioner that is not digital, it is analog, it is important that you check if there are 3 plugs and if they are the same as these, okay? If they are the same, just take them out, right? You are going to pull the latches, release the plugs. To release the latches, we need to press here, right, the red latches. So, we are going to pull the red latches upwards, all of them, and then it releases so we can press and pull the plug out. I don't think there is any need for me to disassemble it. Yes, because it will be hard for me to put the locks back on later. These locks are a little fragile, so I'm not going to take that risk. Well, one of the cool things we can see here, right, is that the panel has a certain percentage of rubber to make it rubberized, quite a lot here, okay? Yes, you can see here, look, that you can see that it's almost as thick as a finger, look. So, this rubber part here is very thick to make a good seal, to prevent noise, air from passing through here or anything like that. And to put it back together, right, it's very simple. We're just going to put it here. Fit these guide pins here in the holes. So, fit the guide pins here in the holes and push it back. It made this click, it's already locked and it's back in the place where everything should be working properly, look. Look there, look, everything is working properly now. Okay? So, if you like this tutorial on disassembling the air conditioning unit, it's a quick tutorial explaining it to you. Put the spatula here on the side, then put it here and pull it forward. It makes this annoying noise. It sounds like it's going to break. On this side, you can see that it's already loose. The other side, the same thing. Fit it, move the lever back, and it'll release. And to lock it, just push it. It'll make a click when it locks. Look, see? It's already locked. The finish is perfect here on the edge. Everything is fine, well fitted. Everything's fine. If you liked this video, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if your air conditioning unit is digital or analog. If it's analog, if you're interested in changing it to digital, and if you've already made this change, tell us if it's plug play or not. Alright, guys? That's it. Big hug to everyone. Bye.